All right, friends. So if you're watching this video, that means you are done with the part 3 in which you analyze your documents on your own. So now I want to give you our key takeaways just so I can wrap it up for you and you can be able to successfully answer your exit ticket question and then submit your assignment on Google Classroom. So our key takeaways is that following Muhammad's death in 632 CE, disagreement grew over who should lead the Islamic community. So the Russian Caliphate had four caliphs: Abu Bakr, Umar, Khattab, Uthman, Afman, and Ali as the fourth caliph. The third and fourth caliphs were assassinated by rebels, and we looked into why this happened and what effects occurred and how the Ummah reacted to these caliphs and their rise in Islamic power. Muslims. We also saw how Muslim armies conquered most of Arabia by 633 CE, followed by North Africa, um, Mesopotamia, Persia, and all this helped shape the world through the spread of Islam. So, friends, now it's time for you to do your exit ticket. And our exit ticket is answering our question of the day, which is how did Muhammad's death impact Islamic political rule and power? So I have included an example response in example. This is not the example. This is not the response that you are going to answer for your exit ticket. You are going to answer it in your own words. But I figured that it would be nice for you to have an example of how one might answer it. So this is a response that I wrote, and I wrote that Muhammad's death led to a need for continued leadership for the Ummah. And while the Ummah's territory and population grew under new leaders, tension among competing agreeing groups grew within the caliphate and caused disagreements to occur over who should lead the Ummah and how the Ummah should be ruled. So, for example, Sunni Muslims believe that Abu Bakr should be caliph, while Shia Muslims believe that Ali was the rightful successor of Muhammad. These disagreements led the assassination of the third and fourth caliph. So Muslims' armies were successful at conquering places like Persia and expanding power of the caliphate in Islam, but internal fights were weakening the caliphate. So even though we saw that they were strong in how they spread Islam, they were weak in how they were not unified with each other. So that's how Muhammad's death impacted the Islamic political rule and state. It weakened the Ummah as a whole. So go ahead and do your exit ticket, friends. Your homework is that you have to read the four caliphs assignment and complete it so you get a better understanding of these four caliphs. And to contact Miss T about any missing assignments. Grades are due on the 16th, friends. That's in 9 days. So that's a little over a week. Is the end of our quarter. So you want to make sure you get all your assignments in. And here is my contact information if you need it. I will see you all very soon. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye, friends.